In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the front drum bearing in your dryer. So to know whether your front drum bearings are good or bad, for this type of plastic ones, you're just going to want to run your fingers along them. Make sure that they're nice and smooth. If you find that they're rough or there's any cuts or burrs or sharp pointy pieces that are going to catch the clothing or tear the felt, you're going to want to replace them. On this machine, there's 2 of them and they're easy to replace. Other machines, you actually may have to buy the entire drum in order to replace it if that's happened. There's some manufacturers that actually have these in a different format, and they are on a plastic piece around this front and they mount into that plastic piece, and they're just little material that looks like a plastic that locks into the plastic in 4 places, and your drum slides across that. But in this model, they're just like this, so you just want to make sure that they're nice and smooth. And for this type, where they clip into place, if any of these clips break, they're going to come out of place and they're going to jam up or they're going to catch your clothing.